Hi everyone, I am Anil Reddy Shankare. I am from Kamareddy district, Telangana state. I have joined in this English Teachers Online Summit 2020. It's a wonderful opportunity for everyone. For example, it's a wonderful opportunity for the teachers and the learners who are fascinating to learn English. So there are experts in different fields, trainers, other coaches. I have interacted with the experts with my doubts and with different queries. Finally, I got a solution for my questions. So it's a great opportunity for everyone. So my dear viewers and my dear teachers, my dear students who are fascinating to learn English, who are interested to learn English, who are interested to speak English better than others, work hard, put efforts, and you should travel with the good company who are interested, who are willing to learn. So this is a great platform for everyone. So you can choose these kind of platforms, or you can choose this platform to enhance your English. Definitely your English will go to the next level. You will get so many ideas, suggestions. And thank you everyone, my co-trainers and the mentor, everyone. It's a wonderful opportunity, great opportunity. Because this kind of opportunity we can get a few times in our life. So grab that opportunity and interact with the experts and get solution for your doubts. Improve yourself. Nobody can push to you to get improve. We are the one to get motivation, self motivation. So by this experience I am saying you are the good motivator to yourself. You are the great person. Just you have to bring out the talents in yours. Okay, thank you. Thanks to all.